Hi, it's Kim Zoller with ID 360 and welcome to Wednesday's Wirings. Who are you? You know, we talk about branding a lot, who you are. And I want you to think about this for yourself. We are in this amazingly wonderful time of reboarding and rebuilding, of going back to the office, of not going back to the office, of being hybrid, not being hybrid, and working with new people. And we get to define ourselves and redefine ourselves, right? So I want you to think about how you do that. So when you think about who you are, take a piece of paper and write down, this is who I am. This is my brand. This is who I am. And then I also want you to think about who you are not. Because who you are not totally defines you as well. Because then you can look and say, I don't do this. I don't behave in a certain way, or I don't react in a certain way because this is who I am not. And yet this is who I am. So take the time to think about it, to define yourself, to redefine yourself, to really show up to be the person who you truly are. Have the very best day.